Hi guys, this is Gastro Guru aka Prashant Shukla. Welcome to my cooking channel Gastro Guru Kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare for you delicious Char Siu. Char Siu is barbecue roast pork Chinese style. So let's get started. Alright, so I have cut the pork shoulder, the pork butt into 5 logs, and now it's time to marinate that. So this we are going to pour that Char Siu barbecue pork roast marinade all over the pork, and then we're going to refrigerate that overnight. Right, so I'm going to flip it on the other side. I want to make sure that both sides are totally, coated with the marinade. Yeah, it looks a little messy, but it's got a good look, totally marinated, otherwise the flavors won't seep into the pork shoulder. Yeah, look at that. And I made this extra marinade because halfway through, while it's in the oven and we flip the side, I'm going to baste it with this, the honey sugar hoisin sauce glaze. All right. I'm going to wash my hands now. And now we are going to cover this with the cling wrap. Looks nice and tight. Wrap it up under it. And we are all set to put it in the fridge until tomorrow. Alright, so we have marinated the Char Siu, the barbecue pork roast or barbecue roast pork. Now that's going to, I'm going to take it out from the marinade, which we, saw earlier, and then I'm going to put it on the tray, which is lined by aluminum foil, and it's going to go in the oven about 350 degrees, 15-20 minutes each side, and then we're going to let it rest and then cut it. So here we go. This is about 5 large pieces that I got from maybe 4 pounds of pork shoulder, pork butt, which we marinated. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to do 2 of them. And then before I put it in, I'm going to use some space, and this barbecue marinade that we did, I'm going to brush it before it goes in. And when it comes out, it's going to look awesome. After 15 minutes, we're going to check on it, and then we are going to brush it with the marinade again, and then flip it and cook the other side. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, once the pork shoulder goes in the oven, I'm going to get some of the marinade, microwave it, and then I'm going to baste it halfway through. So let's get to the next step of putting it in the oven. So the oven is ready. I already set it at 350. It's already hot in there, so we're going to just slide this in. And then 15 minutes later, we're going to come back, see what's going on, and then go from there. Oh wow, look at this. See how gorgeous our Char Siu pork roast chop is looking. And look at the 3 pieces. Initially I put 2, but I wanted more, so I put 1 more. So now it's been resting for a few minutes, and now we're going to slice it. One more piece. You can see how tender and juicy it looks. It's amazing. There you have it, folks. Char Siu pork roast Chinese style barbecue. Please watch my video and do subscribe if you haven't, and bon appetit.